Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, this one, I'm going to do demo of my, what the name is? Oh shit, maze solving here. Yeah, maze solving. As you can see, maze solving that we are using our microbit in here. We're using this and we're coding with Microsoft Make Code. Okay, now let's going to test our robot. Oh, make sure the robot. Okay, then click in here. Here one. Wait. Okay, so the robot will solve the maze. Okay, and then it will going to the finish. Yay, finish. Get here. Yay, finish, guys. And so we're using the code. Simply the code actually like this. And I'm gonna be telling how to make the code. Okay. Well, okay. Let's test it 2 times. Is it working again or even not? Let's see. Wait. Wait. There is human error. Sorry. Human error. Make sure it's fit. Okay, fit. Before was human error. This one human error. I'm gonna be explaining the logic of every single one of the questions. Because we do have some new blocks that are explaining. And the first thing we're gonna be doing is of course from start we're gonna be adding Wait. So on from here can show whatever you believe that the beginning. Guys, I don't know what happened to this robot. Always moving. So this is my friends. Okay, let me try again. Finally. So if it working like that. Bro, come on. You can do it before. If it like that, it's can. As you can see. So before just little bit human error. So it's working. We're gonna be taking the equal sign. Okay, we'll try it again. The third time or the third time. Before all of it, before was only human error. Same, that's human error. Okay, human error. I cannot put it correctly. We're gonna be doing something. And then we're gonna go on the loops part block, and we're gonna be taking while. Now pause. And we're gonna be going to another band section and taking control. Okay. Make it sure in here. I'm gonna if it like that, you will get a stupid human error that you can even do it and you cannot solve it when the robot is working. It's there, it's working properly. Okay, thank you. So that's it all. Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to make maze solving code in here. Okay, in here, first you need to add tiny bit here, tiny bit extension, then take it from here. In this GitHub, later just put it, and after that, go to basic, and then forever, take if, and then go to if again, this one, and then after that go to loops, just take this one, while do in here, put it right here, then go to logic again, in here, after that, in here as you can see, there is a fence, Just control and take the mileage, put it in here. After that, we need to make new variables, name it polar, and here polar 0, and while ms, we choose for, okay, what is ms? Mileage. Actually, mileage is counting down. It is counting down. The code. While the village fed 4,500, so it's seconds, so it's counting down. Okay, and then after that, go to tiny bit, and then cartridge one, just this one, 95. Sure. After that, go to it again, no need this else. It's not like this. Then tiny bit. Uh, the favorite and then when sensor error like that review like control scroll speed and just like this. Okay. Then we put the variable set for one. Okay, after like this, duplicate this one, 25 here. This one. Well, we're choosing 7,000. Why? Because it's increasing. The number is increasing. So this 4,000 or 4,500 seconds and this 7,000. So it means it's only the code only working at 2.5 seconds yes, and then this else if one and it's coming soon. Um, then change it to be left stick. And that same with the new one and then the video cat and the color change to be two. This one repeat it again. After that, change the number to be 9,000 using right, no, spin right, 9,000. So it means only working 2 seconds. And then else, duplicate this one. Let's duplicate again. We change it to be 13,000 because it has a long word name. Okay. Right state value black one. Don't forget to change this one to polar. Having three. Mistake two. Four. And the last is this one. And last touch is our control stop. So code is going to be like this. And don't forget this one, basic. We're choosing on start to variable and then set all to zero. Okay, I'll explain the code. So what does it mean while do? So while the mill is counting 4,500 milliseconds, it's 4.5 seconds. Two, car running, car console speed running at speed 95, and when the line sensor see right state and the right state is with a black line, it's spin right. After that, set the variable pola to 1. And else if pola is 1, then do this code. So that's okay. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.